Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a super easy 5-minute makeup tutorial for video conferencing specifically because I feel like a lot of us are working from home now, and I do think it's so important to still look your best, feel your best whenever you're getting on a video conference and sort of present yourself at your best. So I thought I would share this really easy and fast makeup look that you can do right before you get on a video conference. I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get into it. The first thing that I like to do is conceal my imperfections. So I'm just going to use my Pat McGrath Labs concealer in number 13. And I'm just going to get that underneath my eyes. And then wherever I have breakouts, which is usually around my mouth area. And then I'm just going to go ahead and buff this in place. So as you can see, I'm using a concealer that's pretty much my skin color. I'm not using a super light concealer because that's when it becomes obvious and not skin-like. And if you don't have a concealer that's your skin color, just use a full coverage foundation and do the same thing. So now I'm just going to bring some color into my skin since I look pretty pale, and I'm going to use a bronzer. This is a MAC bronzer in Give Me Sun. I'm going to use like a fluffy blush brush. And I'm just gonna apply this on the high points of my cheeks and the hollows of my cheeks. So I'm not necessarily contouring, I'm more bronzing with this. And again, just giving my skin some color as if I've been outside in the sun. And I'm also gonna apply this on my jawline a bit. And then I'm also gonna apply this on my eyelids because we're not gonna do any eyeshadow today. So next, I'm going to apply some blush because color is key here. We want to look alive. So this is the Persona Cosmetics Super Blush in Georgia, and it's a really beautiful peach shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the same brush, but I'm going to take off that bronzer on a towel so that my brush is clean. And I'm just going to grab a little bit of this, smile, and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. I'm also going to apply a little bit of that blush on my nose. I feel like it just makes the whole look a bit more cohesive. And then if there's too much, then I'll just kind of blend it in. All right, the skin is done, super easy. We're gonna move on to the eyes. And first I'm gonna start with my brows because my brows need a little lovin'. And this is the Glossier Boy Brow in brown. I'm just gonna brush it up. And this is great because it's gonna color my brows, kind of fill them in, and also brush them at the same time. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara because this really helps open up the eye. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. This is the Lancome mascara that I've been using for years now. I love it so much. And I'm just going to apply 1 to 2 layers. And I'm only going to apply this on my top lashes. I don't want spider-looking lashes, so I'm going to skip the bottom. Okay, lastly, I'm going to throw on a gloss and the look is finished. So for my gloss, I'm going to use the Persona Cosmetics in Shortcake, and it's just a really pretty mauve-y pink shade. Obviously, if you have more time, you can put on a highlighter, you can do the whole thing, but I just wanted to keep it simple, easy, sort of a 5-step, 5-minute makeup tutorial that you can do to feel put together and also just look more presentable because at the end of the day, this is still a professional setting, so you do want to look your best. I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple makeup look, and hopefully it was helpful. And yeah, I wish you guys nothing but the best. Be safe, stay indoors, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Love you.